My name is Hal Boyton. I'm a textile artist and I'm originally from Cardiff. So the exhibition's called Growing Flowers Down the Docks, and it's all about, the idea behind it is about a man called Royston Smith, who in the 1920s discovered unusual flowers growing in Cardiff and Barry Docks. And these flowers had quite unusual qualities to them, and they were quite unusual at the time, and they were brought into Cardiff from ships that came into Wales from all over the world. And they've inspired a lot of art projects that I've run with two different schools. With the Ysgol Bro Morgannwg, we looked at things like the history of Barry and related it loosely to the history of Royston Smith. So things like they created postcards. A lot of the children had never even sent a postcard before, and they created fabric postcards, and they looked at the idea of recovery and why Barry was a place people used to go to have a day off once a year from the coal mines. And we just looked a lot at the history of Barry, but with Cogan Primary School, it was much more we built some ships out of recycled materials, and the piece behind us, we looked at natural dyes and created like a massive print, as you can see, of flowers that we'd using natural dyes that we collected from the environment. But it's also, there's a lot of different materials, and it's quite an exciting thing to see. There's lots of vibrant colours, and it's something quite inspiring about the whole feeling of the exhibition.